Hello guys, welcome to Bit 9. In this video, I will show you how to easily download and install Adobe Photoshop Express on Windows 11. First, open your web browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft Apps and press Enter. When the official website apps.microsoft.com appears, click on it. Then type Adobe Photoshop Express in the search bar and press Enter. Once you see Adobe Photoshop Express, click on it. Next, click on the Download button and save the installer file. The download should start immediately. Once finished, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. It should be named something like Adobe Photoshop Express Installer XE. Double-click on it. A new pop-up will open, starting the download and installation process for Adobe Photoshop Express. This will take a few moments, so please wait. After the download and installation are complete, Adobe Photoshop Express will open. Click on Next a few times to go through the features, then click on Get Started. You can log in using Google, Facebook, or your email. And that's it. You're all set to use Adobe Photoshop Express. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help.